Hello viewers, welcome to the video lecture series of the job role Plumber General for Class 10, Unit 5, performing various plumbing related operations and procedure. In this video, you will learn about repair of fixtures. So, here we will start with plumbing fixtures. Now, plumbing fixtures is a part that is connected to a plumbing system and carries water through a building. A fixture can be fixed into walls or the floor. Now, we take plumbing fixtures in detail, so you can understand this topic very clearly. Any structure's plumbing can be a complicated system of pipes, fittings and access points. Water damage, corrosion and other shortage of damage can result from a damage or leaky faucets. So, it's better to avoid these circumstances by contacting for aid as soon as a problem arises. When a problem within a plumbing fixtures or faucet emerges, trained plumber can handle repairs, replacement or new model installation. Some fixtures such as tap, bathtub, bibcock and stopcock and many more. So now here we will take first plumbing fixtures, bibcock. It is commonly referred to as the tap or faucet and it is the most frequently used water supply fittings. There are taps or faucets of many designs available in the market. While repairing, it is also advisable to read the manufacturer instructions. The defects commonly encountered in the functioning of taps and faucet, it causes and remedial measures to be taken. Now, we look out the defects of bibcock. First one, water drips from the tap even when it is tightly closed. Second, water flows from around the spindle or stuffing box. Third one, difficulty to turn on or off the tap. Fourth one, the spindle slips continuously when the tap is turned on and off. Fifth one, there is a lot of noise in the tap when turned on. Now students, can you think about the causes of bibcock? Yes, there are many causes of bibcock. Here we focus on some causes of bibcock. First one, worn out or defective washer. Second one, accumulation of grit like small loose particle of stone or sand, dust or other foreign matters. Third one, defective fittings. Fourth one, gland nut. A component of the tap or faucet is loose. Fifth one, the packing in the stuffing box is defective. Sixth one, the packing in the stuffing box is dry. Seventh one, the spindle is bent. Eighth one, the spindle thread is worn out. Okay students, now we talk about repair of fixtures, especially bibcock. Here is the procedure to be applied for repairing. First one, close the water supplies to the water tap or bibcock. Second one, with the help of vice grip, hold the body of the bibcock. Third one, use the wrench to remove the head of the tap by simply tapping. Fourth one, check the spindle if it is worn out and replace it. Fifth one, remove the old washer of the spindles. Sixth one, replace with a new washer. Seventh one, fit the head back to the body. Eighth one, open the water supply and check the leakage if any. So viewers, in this video we have learned about repair of fixture, bibcock. The important factors we have covered are: first one, definition of plumbing fixtures. Second one, detail of bibcock fixture. Third one, defects of bibcock fixtures. Fourth one, causes of bibcock fixtures. And fifth, repair of bibcock fixtures. So student, see you in the next video. Till then, keep watching and enjoy learning. Thank you.